In this video, Larry will be fixing fried rice in the Dash Mini Rice Maker. It's simple, quick, and inexpensive. Here we go.
Let's get started fixing our Dash Mini Rice Cooker fried rice. It's real simple. We're going to use the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. I'll leave a purchase link at the end of this video down underneath in the information. You can get them for about 20 bucks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of rice, and this rice has been rinsed. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to add 1 cup of tap water. And I'm going to add about a half a cup, actually it's a little less than half a cup, of frozen peas and carrots to give it a true fried rice look. Then we're going to stir this up. And we're going to get it turned on. As with most all of the Dash Mini appliances, there's no on-off switch, so when you plug it in, it's on, and when you unplug it, it's off. But the rice cooker comes on in the warm mode, the little warm light is on, and when you're ready to start cooking, you press the little button down, and the button shifts over to cook. Now it'll stay on cook for quite a while. It's going to warm up the rice, then it's going to start boiling it, and when the rice gets to the certain level of lack of water, it'll automatically cut off and cut over to the warm, to keep it warm. But that's going to take a little while. So what we're going to do, about every 10 minutes or so, we're going to stir it up. I find that makes it work a little bit better. It's not totally hands-off, but just about. So we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back and check on it. We're at the 10-minute mark, and we're ready to give it a little stir. You can see it's boiling nicely. Let's stir it up and get the rice mixed in. Again, you don't have to stir it. That's not part of what the instructions call for items that you're cooking in the rice cookers, but I like stirring it. I think it makes it better. We've stirred it up, it's boiling nicely, and we're going to let it go for another 10 minutes, and we'll take another look at it. It's been another 10 minutes, so a total of 20 minutes, and it's looking like it's about ready to cut over to keep warm. So let's stir it up a little bit. Get the vegetables down in there. Look at that rice. It looks like fried rice for sure. Smells like fried rice in the Chinese takeout place. All right, there we go. We're going to leave it until it cuts over to the keep warm, and then we'll do a final view, plate it up, and taste it. Well, it's only been 2 minutes since the last time I stirred it up, so actually, totally, it's been 22 minutes on this cook. That's great, and it's definitely done. It looks delicious. Look at there. I'd said we were going to plate it up, but I've decided we're not. We're going to taste it right out of the Mini Dash rice cooker. I'll be back. There's the finished product. It's still on keep warm, and it'll stay like that and keep warm and stay fresh and ready to eat for an hour, maybe 2 hours. So let's taste it. Sure does look good. Get a piece of one of the peas and one of the carrots and the rice. Really, really good. The rice is nicely cooked. The vegetables are soft but not mushy. What a great dish. This will be really good to cook. You can cook it as a side dish, or you could add some chicken to it now. What I use sometimes is the chicken that's already cooked and cut into strips in the salad section of the grocery store. You could use it, cut it up, put it in here, and stir it and end up with a main dish. Very inexpensively and very easily. Again, this took 22 minutes to cook. If you've enjoyed this dish, we'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. In the information below, click on More, and it'll take you to a recipe for this dish with all of the information that you need to make it yourself. Also, there's a purchase link from Amazon that will allow you to purchase this for the regular prices. If you just purchase it from Amazon, yet it'll help the channel. We've enjoyed putting on this video for you. Look forward to doing it again soon. Thank you and have a great evening.
This video has been a Larry Under Pressure production. We very much appreciate your visiting to view it with us. Below, you will find links to like, share, be notified, and subscribe to the channel. In addition, you'll find a printable recipe for this dish. Thank you again for joining us. Take care.